Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Streets Bio Simplified. Today we are going to practice some important questions from chapter The Living World. Here we have a set of 10 questions today. Okay, let's get started. Let's see our first question. Biological organization starts with option A submicroscopic molecular level, option B cellular level, option C organismic level, option D atomic level. Biological organization starts with submicroscopic molecular level, where four types of molecules, that is carbohydrates, lipids, proteins and nucleic acids, are organized into organelles of cell. So the correct option is A. Okay, let's see our next question. Which one of the following scientists named is correctly matched with the theory put forth by him? Option A Weismann, theory of continuity of germplasm. Option B Pasteur, inheritance of acquired characters. Option C De Vries, natural selection. Option D Mendel, theory of pangenesis. Okay, let's see our explanation part. Pasteur proposed the germ theory of disease. Charles Darwin, theory of natural selection. Lamarck proposed the inheritance of acquired characters, and Hugo de Vries put forth the theory of mutation. Then Mendel postulated the law of inheritance, and at last Darwin postulated the theory of pangenesis. So from the above options, given A is the right answer. Okay, let's see our next question. Which one of the following is not a living fossil? Option A king crab, option B Cephalodon, option C Archaeopteryx, option D Peripatus. Explanation. Archaeopteryx is not a living fossil. It is a fossil bird that lived in Jurassic period about 180 million years ago. Its fossils display the characteristics of both reptiles and birds. King crab, Sphinodon and Peripatus are the living fossils. So the correct option is C. Okay, next question. Carbohydrates, the most abundant molecules on earth, are produced by option A all bacteria, fungi and algae, option B fungi, algae and green plants, option C some bacteria, algae and green plants cells, option D virus, fungi and bacteria. Some photosynthetic bacteria such as Rhodosudomonas can prepare carbohydrates, but during this type of photosynthesis O2 does not evolve because in this case hydrogen donor is other than H2O. Algae and all green plant cells prepare their food through photosynthesis. Here hydrogen ions are donated by water molecules. By the process of photolysis of water, that is O2 is released during this type of food synthesis. So the correct option is C. Okay, next question. What is true for photolithotropes? Option A obtain energy from radiations and hydrogen from organic compound. Option B obtain energy from radiations and hydrogen from inorganic compounds. Option C obtain energy from organic compounds. Option D obtain energy from inorganic compounds. Photolithotropes uses light as energy and inorganic electron donor as hydrogen source. Purple and green sulfur bacteria are examples of photolithotropes. So the correct answer for this question is B. Obtain energy from radiation and hydrogen from inorganic compounds. Next question. More than 70% of the world's fresh water is contained in option A Antarctica, option B Greenland, option C glaciers and mountains, option D polar ice. Option D polar ice is the right answer. Okay, let's see our next question. Most abundant organic compounds on earth is option A protein, option B cellulose, option C lipids, option D steroids. Cellulose, constituting the cell wall of plants, is most abundant organic molecule on the earth. So the correct option is B, that is cellulose. Okay, next question. Praying mantis is a good example of option A warning coloration, option B social insects, option C camouflage, option D Malarian mimicry. Praying mantises are carnivores. They eat small animals and other insects. They eat crickets, spiders, grasshoppers, frogs, lizards and small birds. Their greenish or brown color gives them good camouflage against predators. So the correct option is C. Okay, let's see our next question. There is no life on moon due to absence of option A oxygen, option B water, option C light, option D temperature. Water is an essential constituent of cytoplasm of all living organisms. It helps in distribution of substances within the organism, elimination of waste products, body temperature maintenance, etc. It is absent on the moon. Anaerobic organisms can live in the absence of O2. light and temperature are already known to exist on the moon. So the correct option is B. Next question. Reason of diversity in living beings is option A mutation, option B gradual change, option C long term evolutionary change, option D short term evolutionary change. Explanation part. The mutation provides the sources of variation. The diversity in living beings is due to the natural selection of variations and consequent evolutionary change over a long period of time. And the correct answer for this question is C. Okay. So that's it for the day, guys. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you.